What is my fifth question? Fifth question is, they are asking you to construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by. You need to construct a 3 by 4 matrix, and in that first thing they have defined it as Aij is equal to half modulus 3 minus 3i minus 3i plus j. Okay, this is the question. Fine. So what I told you, first construct a general 3 by 4 matrix. How to construct a general 3 by 4 matrix? How to construct it? See here. How to construct it? 3 rows, 4 columns. So A11, A12, A13, A1. First row, 4 columns finished. A21, A22, A23, A24. Third row over. A31, A32, A33, A34. Okay, this is our general 3 by 4 matrix. Is this okay? See here. So you have R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3, C4. Fine. Now, according to this definition, you have to go for the finding the elements. So first, let me write here again what is Aij. They are telling Aij is equal to half modulus minus 3i plus j. So let me start with A11 is equal to half modulus minus 3 into 1. In place of I 1. So it is minus 3 into 1 plus j also 1 and mod is there. Okay. So this is equal to half modulus minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. They have kept modulus just to make it positive. So this is equal to half into 2. So 2 cancels. This is equal to 1. This is A1. Okay. Let me find out what is A12. A12 is half modulus minus 3. I value is 1 plus j value is 2. So this is equal to half modulus minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So this is equal to only minus 1 by 2. Next, A13. A13 is half modulus minus 3 into 1 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Mod 0 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Therefore, for this answer is 0. Next. Okay, some are telling whiteboard is not coming. Ma'am, whiteboard is not coming. Why it is not coming? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Okay, so A13 completed. In first row you have to go for fourth, that is A14. That also you have to find out. So let me take A14. So it is A14 is equal to half modulus minus 3 into 1 plus 4. This is equal to half. See, minus 3 plus 4 is nothing but 1. So into 1, which is equal to only 1 by 2. Okay. Next. So first row we completed. I have to go for second row now. I have to take second row. Second row, what is the first element? A21. A21 is equal to half modulus minus 3 into 2 plus 1 minus 3I plus j. Okay. So this is equal to minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Mod minus 5 is only 5. Therefore, it is 5 by 2. Next, look at A22. A22 is half modulus minus 3 into 2 plus 2. This is minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Mod minus 4 is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Next, let me take A23. A23 is half modulus minus 3 into 2 plus 3. This is minus 6 plus 3 is 3. Minus 3, mod is there, so plus 3, therefore it is 3 by 2. Next, A24. A24 is half modulus minus 3 into 2 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Mod is there, only 2. So it is 2 by 2, nothing but 1. So this is second row. Let me take the third row. Third row is A31, which is equal to half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 1. So this is minus 3 3s are minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Mod is there, it will become 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Next, A32. A32 is half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Mod is there, it is plus 7 by 2. Next, A33. A33 half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 2. 1 minute, here plus 3. Give me 1 minute. Okay, see here. It is A33 is equal to half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 3. J value is plus 3. 3 3s are minus 3 3s are minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Mod is there, only 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Last element A34, it is half modulus minus 3 into 3 plus 4. So it is minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Mod is there. So it is plus 5 by 2. So just now you calculated elements. Now you have to write it in the form of matrix. So A is equal to, what are our first row elements? First row elements are A11 is 1 by 1. Why here minus is there? It is minus 3 plus, this is positive. Everywhere it will be positive only, because why? Because mod is there. Mod is there means how it can be negative. So mod is there, everywhere it is 1 by 2 only. So it is 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. So it is, let me write the matrix. The matrix will be like this. It will be 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Next it is 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1. Last row 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. This is our required matrix. Okay. So that is fifth question. First bit. Look at second bit. Second bit. How they have given? They have given second bit as definition Aij is equal to 2I minus j. So you have to construct 3 by 4 matrix only. Okay, order 3 by 4 only. I would like to give this also homework. So homework, you have to take one more thing. So homework, what and all is there? First of all, fourth question only all. Okay, next fifth question only second May. That is also homework I would like to give. Now let me take sixth question. Let me go for sixth question. Sixth question. What is there in the sixth question? Find the value of x, y, and z from the following questions. Okay. Find the value of x, y, and z. So you have to find the value of x, y, and z. So many messages are coming. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Now see here, you have to find out x, y, z values. Okay. So in that first bit they have given like this: matrix 4, 3, x, 5. This is the matrix. 4, 3, x, 5 is equal to y, z, 1, 5. This they have given. You have to find the value of x, y, z. Doubts? Okay, later I will ask any doubts. That time you can discuss with me. Okay, now you see here. See, when they are asking you to find out x, y, z values, see, they have given equal symbol. Equal symbol means what? These two are equal matrices. See, order is same for both are 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now, second, what you have to do? Corresponding elements you have to equate. Okay. See here this is the position A11. In position A11, you have y one side, 4 one side. Okay. Therefore, let me write here x is equal to how much? Y is equal to how much? Z is equal to how much? So in place of y, you have 4 in another matrix. Therefore, it is 4. Now you see this. This is 3. At the same position, Z is there. Therefore, Z is equal to 3. Now you see here, this is X, here 1. Corresponding positions you have to equate. So, X is equal to 1. Here 5 is there. Here also 5 is there. Therefore, whatever value we have written, that is correct. I hope you are following me. So, I take second bit. What was the second bit? Second bit they have given x plus y to 5 plus z xy. This is the matrix they have given is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Okay. Now you have to find the value of x, y, and z. Again, what you have to do? See, here 2 is there, here 2 is there. Okay. And now look here. 5 plus z is there, 5 is there. Fine. X plus y is there, 6 is there, x, y is there, 8 is there. So to find z, it is not at all a problem. Let me write 5 plus z is equal to 5. This implies z is equal to 0. 5 cancel. Z is equal to 0. Next, they have given x plus y is equal to 6. Xy is equal to 8. From this, what I will write? Y is equal to 6 minus x. Can I write? X will come to right side, so it will become 6 minus x. So here let me substitute x into, now value of y is 6 minus x. This is equal to 8. Okay. If you simplify, you are going to get a quadratic equation. Let me simplify this. 6x minus x square is equal to 8. Make a quadratic equation. Let me take every term to right side. So it is x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now I have to solve this quadratic equation. Okay. Minus 6x is there, plus 8 is there. Therefore minus 4 plus 2 are root. On adding you must get 6, on multiply you must get minus 6, on multiplying you must get 8. Can I write the factors like this? X minus 4, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is that okay? I hope you understood. Quadratic equation is there from 10th now. In 11th also you have solved many quadratic equations. I think no need to explain here. Okay. So this is x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. Is that okay for you? Fine. Okay. Now here you see, here what I will do, case 1, let me take x is equal to 4. What we have, y is equal to 6 minus 4 you have. So y is equal to, sorry, what you have is, 1 minute, what is this? What you have is, what you have is y is equal to 6 minus x. Now 6 minus x value is 4, no, substitute here. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So therefore x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0. This is one set of values. So for in case 2 what will come? In case 2, x is equal to 2. What they have given? Y is equal to 6 minus x. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. So you have to write x, y, z values. This implies x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 0. This ends the problem. I hope you understood this. This is very simple question. You can solve it very easily. After that, once again go through this, you will understand. Okay. I would like to take the third bit now. In the sixth question, I am taking the third bit. Third bit, what they have given? X plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z is equal to 9, 5, 7. Okay, this is the matrix. This is column matrix. Okay, can anybody tell me order for this? Yes, it is 3 by 1 column matrix, no? So it is 3 by 1. No need to write order, but you must know what is the order. Okay. 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 Now see here. So here again corresponding elements you have to equate. I hope you understood. Can I start with the solution? X plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus z is equal to 5. Y plus z is equal to 7. Corresponding elements you have to equate. Now let me use this here. Can you see here? So this can be written as y plus 5 is equal to 9. Correct appa? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? x plus z ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ y plus 5 is equal to 9. ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. y is equal to 9 minus 5. y is equal to 4. ಓಕೆ? ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, this y value I will substitute here. So therefore 4 plus z is equal to 7, and z is equal, Now you see here. Let me write. See. So what happens here? Z is equal to 7 minus 4. So Z is equal to 3. 7 minus 4, 3. Now substitute this Z value here. Substitute this Z value here. So it is x plus 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 3, 2. So they were asking you to find out x value, y value, z value. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 4, Z is equal to 3. Is that okay? Fine. Let me take the 7th sum. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಆ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನ್ರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Should I give time to write? I feel I should not give. And I'm not giving also. Okay. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. 7th question, because anyhow I will send notes. See, today notes, whatever is there on the board, that only I will send it. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ದು notebook ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ notes ನಿಮಗೆ exercise solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 7th question ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. Find the value of, we have the question. Give time to take screenshots. Screenshots ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ನೀವು? ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 minutes
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ರೋ, ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 minutes ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 5th question ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಿಂಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದಟ್. ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದೇ ವೆರಿ 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 ಸ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಫೈನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take this. Done. Next is this. Over. ಈಗ ಇದು now is this. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ ನ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ 7th question ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. 8 question ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. 1 second. Now I do. The mouse work. ಓಕೆ, 7th question ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 7th question ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. 7th homework ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು 4th homework ಇದು ಕೂಡ homework. Okay, later I will tell again what are homework sums. Now I am going for question number 8. 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, they have given one matrix like this. A is equal to matrix Aij, order is m by n, is a square matrix if ಅಂತ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, m is equal to n. This will be your answer. They have given m less than n, m greater than n, m is equal to n, none of this. So this is your answer. ಆಯ್ತಾ, 9th question. 9th question ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಈಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 9th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have given a matrix 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x, close the matrix. After this they are given this, which of the given values of x and y makes the following pair of matrices equal. Another they have given 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. Okay, ಇದೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now I will read the question. Question is which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು x y ಗೆ ಓಕೆ 9th one ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Find out 3x is equal to minus 7, x is equal to minus 7 by 3. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ x ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 minus 3x is equal to corresponding position 4. So minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 2. Minus 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Look here. Idu minus 7 by 3. Idu minus 2 by 3. It is not possible. No, it should not happen. One matrix alli x use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು, x ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೂಡ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಈಗ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, 5 is equal to y minus 2, 2 will come this side, y is equal to 7. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So it is y plus 1 is equal to 8, y is equal to 7. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು, y value 7 here also y value 7. y value ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, we don't have any problem with y, our problem is with x. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ರೈಟ್. 10th question ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ನೋನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಟು ಯು ನಾವು. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. This is very important question. CET as well as PUC. 1 mark PUC ಅಲ್ಲಿ CET ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. It is very important for competitive exams. Fine. Okay. So 3 by 3 means number of elements ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, number of elements is equal to 9. ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್. therefore ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ is equal to 9 by 2. ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ permutations. Okay, sorry, it is not 9 to the wait is not this, right? Okay, so possible options ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 minute. Possible options ಏನಿದೆ 2 ಇದೆ. So possible matrices ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು 2 to the power 9 ಆಗಬೇಕು. 2 to the power 9 means how much? 512. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅವರು 3/3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ which is possible 1 or 2 entry 1 or 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ because options for elements 2 options ಇರೋದು 0 or 1 or 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ possible options ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 3 options ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ how many 3 to the power 9 ಆಗಬೇಕು possible options estiratto that will be the base and number of elements will be in the power. I hope you understood. Now I should go for screenshot students. Ivat screenshot antidira tagondbidi it tagoldi take this ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು next go for this take this over now take this finished now we'll go for the next concept that is operations that is operations on matrices. What operations you know in algebra? Of course, you know addition, you know addition, you know subtraction, you know multiplication. Of course, you know division, you know how to find LCM, HCF, all those. But for matrices, these are the main things: addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Listen students, numericals to note so screenshot ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ operations on matrices to ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ I will send that okay na addition ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ that I will send ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ fine okay let me continue this ನೋಡಿ operations on matrices in that first I want to show you addition of matrices. Let me take addition. Addition I want to take now. Okay. So if you want to add or subtract, ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Because I know you all are very talented students, you will understand very easily together. See, first I will give an example. Immediately you will understand what is that. Okay. So I have taken 1, 2, 3 example barita idini 0 2 idu -2 madna 0 -2 4 ta next single matrix barita idini 5 6 9 next 1 3 2. First of all, if you want to go for addition or subtraction, order must be same. Order must be same. Then only you can go for addition or subtraction. So addition means first plus symbol will be there. So for that, how it will be? Corresponding elements you need to add. Iga equal matrices alli helidinalla. Corresponding elements you need to equate. Same here, corresponding elements you need to add. So iga actually ee tara irutte 1 plus 5 next 2 plus 6 next 3 plus 9 0 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3 4 plus 2 okay ee tara iru addition. Iga nodi if you know directly you can write this You know, the very easy it is. Terms are very easy. So 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. 6 plus 2 how much? 8. 9 plus 3 how much? 12. 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. That's all. This is addition. Easy, no? Addition means order must be same. Corresponding elements you need to add. Okay, understood? Can I take subtraction? Ille explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Don't write this. Minus ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಈಗ. Now what I'll do is instead of addition, subtraction is there. You assume subtraction is there. Then how it goes? Minus ಇದ್ರೆ subtraction ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Subtraction idre ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? For this thing. For this thing I am writing here. So subtraction means you should write like this. 1 minus 5, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 9, 0 minus 1, minus 2 minus 3, 4 minus 2. This is the thing you have to do. So what is 1 minus 5? Minus 4. What is 2 minus 6? Minus 4. 3 minus 9? Minus 6. 0 minus 1? Minus 1. Minus 5. 2. I hope you understood. Okay. Fine. This is how addition and subtraction goes. What is very important thing for addition and subtraction? Order must be same and corresponding elements you need to add. Okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ definition ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? It will be like this. So A is a matrix Aij and B is a matrix Bij. Okay. Are two matrices of same order. Let me take order as m by n. Two matrices of same order I am telling. Matrix order m by n. Then sum of two matrices is defined by, that is A plus B is equal to matrix Aij plus matrix Bij is equal to a new matrix C, that is Cij of same order m by n. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ of matrix same order where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. This is the definition for addition. Okay, fine. Next is scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay. How come I know whether you understood or not? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾಗ ಹೇಳುವಂತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Multiplication you have two types. ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ matrix you have two type of multiplications. This is scalar multiplication. This is scalar multiplication. So this is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? Let me write A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಯಾವುದೋ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, whatever the order. I am doing scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay. Now you see, this is A. Suppose ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನನಗೆ 5A ಬೇಕೀಗ. ನನಗೆ A ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ 5A ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 5 into write A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to do this scalar multiplication? Take 5 inside the matrix. Taking 5 inside the matrix means what? Multiply 5 to every element of the matrix. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 into 3, 15. It is 15. 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 6, 30. And this is scalar multiplication. See what was order here? What is order of this matrix? 3 by 2. What is order of this matrix? 3 by 2. Okay. What do you mean by this? After scalar multiplication, order of the matrix will not change. After addition of two matrix, order will remain same. After subtraction of two matrix, order will remain same. After scalar multiplication, also order will remain same. So let me take one more example. So A is equal to root 3, 1, 4, 5, 0, 2. A is this. I want to find out minus A. How to write? Minus A is nothing but minus 1 into A, correct? So this will be, write minus 1 into matrix A, that is root 3, 1, 4, 5, 0, 2. What is the answer for this? Minus root 3, minus 1, 4, minus 5, 0, minus 2. Okay, now suppose here minus is there, here minus is there, then it will become minus into minus plus, that's all. This is how minus A will be. This is also called as negative of a matrix. If A is a matrix, then it is called as minus A is called negative of A. So you understood addition, subtraction, and also negative of the matrix.